how to control a car when reversing driving lesson, right? As a beginner or even as a advanced driver in general, when you reverse in the car, the way of controlling it is either you have both hands on the steering wheel, or you can have one behind the passenger seat while the car going in reverse, which is not an obligation, right? You're gonna shift to reverse. Make sure when you're doing straight reversing, you have your four-way flasher on, right? The direction you want the car to go, that's where you're gonna turn the steering wheel. Let me say it slow. The direction you want the car to go, that's where we're gonna turn the steering wheel. If you wanna do it straight back up, you're simply going back straight. Now, let's go ahead. We're gonna go back straight. You can look behind you as the car going in reverse, you see? As you guys can see, behind me there is a car that coming. I want my car to go to my left. I'm gonna turn my wheel to my left as I'm going back. And you see, the car's going towards the curve to my right side actually. Okay? Stopping here. I'm gonna stop. When this car finish passing, I'm gonna pull again to the middle. Signal my attention, mirror left, shoulder left, as always. You always have to check your mirrors and shoulders when doing anything contrary from going straight. I'm gonna line up again to do straight back up. All right? When reversing, you wanna control your car, you shift the car to reverse, you do all your verification. You check the inside mirror, the right side mirror, the left side mirror. You can choose to either put one hand. You can either put one hand behind the steering wheel, or you can go both hands on the steering wheel. I choose to put one hand behind the passenger side with my forward flasher on, and I'm looking behind me. I'm doing this straight back up. Okay, I'm keeping this one hand on top of the steering wheel going straight because I'm doing it straight back up. Now, if I want my car to go to my left, I'm gonna turn the wheel to my left. You see? My car going on the left side because I see there's traffic coming behind me, so I can let them clear. All right. So I'm gonna pull off. I'm gonna pull up again to let the traffic behind me clear. Then I'm gonna go ahead and do more backing. All right. The direction you want the car to go, that's where we're gonna steer the steering wheel to. If you want it to go to your right, you will turn the steering wheel to your right. If you want your car to go to the left, you will turn your steering wheel to go to the left. If you want it to go straight, then you're keeping up straight. I'm gonna line up again right here at the beginning of the block. Okay. My forward flasher is still on. I'm gonna shift to reverse, do my verification, check the inside mirror, right side mirror, left side mirror, my hands behind the driver's seats, on the passenger seat, then I'm looking back. You see, my hands here is on top of the steering wheel. I'm gonna do straight back up. I'm gonna see this time if there's no car coming, I'm gonna go all the way in the back, go all the way to the back. See, I'm reversing nice and smooth with my car going straight. I wanna go to the parking on my left side. I'm gonna turn the wheel to the left. The car gonna go in the parking on the left side. You see the car going on the parking to the left, and I'm straightening up my car. All right, there you go. Good, good, good. I'm gonna do it again. All right, we're gonna go up. Mirror right, shoulder right. Good, good, good. I'm gonna line up again to do straight reversing. The whole time, my car is into reverse, and I'm showing you guys how to control your car when reversing to the direction you want it to go. Okay, I'm gonna go again to your right, mirror right, shoulder right, inside mirror, then I'm going back. I see another car coming behind me. I'm going to my right this time. I'm turning the wheel to my right, then I'm gonna line it up to come straight. You see this car is busy. I wanna go do a longer straight back up, but let's see what's going on here. They're gonna get a time to do a longer straight back up here. Shift to drive, going back to the left, cancel, mirror left, shoulder left. Let's go to the middle. Okay, good, good, good. I'm gonna line up again to do straight back up and show you guys how to control your car while you're going straight, while you're doing straight back up. Mirror right, inside mirror, mirror right, mirror left, look the back, going straight. You see, my hands on top of the steering wheel here. I'm doing straight back up. Okay, slightly going on the accelerator. I'm looking behind me, the direction the car is going to. Okay, if I want my car to go to the right, I'm gonna slightly turn the wheel to the right, but I wanna go straight. You see, I'm turning to the right to go straight into the right here, because that's where I want it to go. If I had wanted to go to the left, I would have turned the wheel to the left. All right, folks, there you have it. We're doing straight back up to know in what direction to handle the car. The direction you want the car to go, you simply turn the wheel that direction. If you want the car to go to your right, as you're going straight back up, you turn to your right. If you want the car to go to your left, as you're going straight back up, you go to your left. But always making sure that you have both hands on the steering wheel. If you want, you don't have to put your hands behind the driver's seat if you don't want. It's not an obligation, but you get a better of a view, because by just looking at this mirror here, you only get 20 degrees of view while you're going straight back up. You do not want to do that, right? We do have videos on the channel, however, explaining where to look when you're reversing. You can go ahead and watch that. At this point, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do so. And also you can click the bell icon, so anytime we drop any video like this, you'll be the first one to be notified, right? So I'm going to do it one more time. We're going to pull out with the mirror right, shoulder right, then we're going to line up straight again to do it again. And in fact, okay, we're going to line up. This time we're going to see if we can do it a little bit longer. But whenever you want to, you're doing straight, reversing the car, you have to turn the wheel the direction you want the car to go. You want the car to go to your right, you turn it to the right. You want it to go to the left, you turn it to the left. We're going to do it again, okay? Mirror, inside mirror, mirror right, shoulder right, nobody's coming, going to look behind me. Now we're going to do straight back up from here, you see? Now I'm going to do straight back up. I'm not turning neither to the right, neither to the left. If I want to go to the right, I would simply turn the car to the right. If I want to go to the left, I would simply turn the car to the left, okay? This time you have to take out, you see, I'm going to speed bump. I got a better view here, okay? Now I'm going to want to go to the left. I'm going to turn the car to the left, and I'm going in to the left, right, to the right over here. All right, folks, there you have it. This is how you do straight back up and controlling the car as the car going straight. If you need any help, check out pierrepauldraiving.com. If you have any question, put in the comment below, as that's where we're answering most of our question, and that's where we pick up the topic that we're going to be talking about. Until then, keep practicing. This has been your Pierre Paul Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.